Oh, I'm live, right? Yes, I am. Change the thing to 3. Copy this. Paste this. Okay, I guess everything is good. Okay, so hello guys, Speckles here, back with another live. Okay, so there's a lot of things to cover in this video. I'm also hungry. I'm so sorry. So you can see I have changed the level where I took the wood because it's not really making sense. And also, it's thanks to Dwabsy, he advised it. Like, why? Why do you need it? He asked me a question of why. I thought of like making a variation of mix from going from wood to stone, but he was like, that doesn't make sense. Now, and then he told, if you want to make it, why don't you? If the first floors can't be stone, at that time you have to go for wood. So going that way would be better. And I was like, that's a nice one. Okay, but okay, so that's why king. Oh my god, I'm sorry. So that's why I changed the flooring. But now is the next question. Let's just assume, okay, since we are doing torchgod, let's do this. And according to our game logic, he has to jump above this. Does that make any sense though? Like, what? How can a person slip through walls? So that's why we can't go with this route anymore. So that will be not really good. So we have to change the game design a bit. Yeah, we have to change it a lot, to be honest. So instead of going like up and down, why don't we just make it a big one? You know what? I'm talking a lot. I'm gonna just start doing it. Hmm. I'm actually not getting any ideas. Oh my god. I'm actually thinking what can make this look good, but damn, I'm not even getting anything. Okay, I might. You know what? I'm gonna do a rough paint tone. So the first thing is we have a floor. Now, just see this is the first door, and there's also a door over here, and behind that's a wall, and this is the end. So since we are like this, we can't go this way. So this is just for like a show, so this has nothing to do with it. So here, what if I do something like this? Okay. Looks ugly as hell. Ain't no way, bro. I'm not willing to go like this, you know, keeping Parker somewhere over here and stuff. That's nah. This is way too old. Or maybe I'm gonna think something like, hmm, something like this probably. No, this also looks bad. Okay, you know what? I really have no idea. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, exactly. So I think this would be right now the best move because I want to finish the level so that I will have something to play on because I have to do the lighting and stuff. So that's gonna take way too long. So I'll first finish the base prototype. The movements and everything are ready. We just have to like copy paste things. Hmm. What's the height of these? What happens if I give 5? So 5 is the perfect one though. Sorry. Hmm. Not bad. But I can see the pattern over here, which is something I don't like. So yeah, maybe we just need to like change it around a bit. Oh damn, this is gonna take a while because I have no ideas. I can look for reference, but no, I don't want to look at reference. This is character. This is character. These are the things I need. Models. Oh, those I guess. I want to start getting into furniture and stuff, man. This is way too boring and annoying for me. Hmm. Delete this. Delete this. I want something like nope, nope. Oh, I have an idea. Just what if? Z direction, yeah. What if I do this? So I do this 180. It's gonna be 10 in that case. That is no. Nah. I can actually push this over here though. That can work. This is okay. Well, you can also try to do something different, probably. Like having one of these as well. Because why not? We are just creating. Not looking for how good these things looks. I'm just making sure that these set good. Minus 10. Okay. So yeah, this should like, I don't want it to be like the same thing like just below, so just giving a little bit of variation. So maybe you remove these two and put that over there probably, or maybe I'll just remove this one. Okay, I should have removed that. Okay, you know what, remove this one, take that, make it 0, or I should say 180, get it over here. What is this angle? 153. Make this as well 153, it's not that side. Good. Go back. Right here. Perfect. So this is gonna be 3.1 and this is also 3.1. Now it should look good. And my y is wrong. 4.95, what? It should be 5. Good. Good, 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 good. Looking pretty decent, not gonna lie. So I was gonna do the same thing over here, not gonna lie. So you just minus 153, go do that. Copy the 6 and y and z. 5 3.08. Copy this, delete this. What? Can I not delete this? Okay, so now that is ready, and I'll give a wall, because why not? 180 and come in front. Set is 0. What happens if I give 0? I shouldn't give 0. 1.74, 1.74 with 5 with ex as perfect. Okay, now we are getting somewhere, we are going somewhere. Looks pretty okay. Just okay, okay, nothing much, just an okay design though. And next is I'm gonna copy this, I'm gonna put this in this position, and I'm just gonna copy everything, the whole component, and I'm just gonna paste that whole over here. This would be in a better time. And now all I need to do is I just need to put 10, that's it, easy as it is. Okay, and what I'm gonna do next is copy this. I'm gonna copy all your values, your entire also okay, yeah, correct. So I'm gonna paste your component values, but I'm gonna do this as 180. That doesn't work that way. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Sorry, I mean 10. And why not keep it this as 0? Perfect. See? Nice. So for now, let's just do 3. That's it. 3 is the max. I'm just going to make it as a box, because I think like instead of doing a design right here, maybe if I do more levels, I'll do the same. But for this level, let this be simple box. Okay, and inside the box there will be a lot of levels. Yeah, I'm going for that one. Definitely going for that one. And just put this into 10. And I'm gonna copy you. I'm gonna get your value. I'm gonna put that value for you. And that won't work. Damn. At least we got this. So get this to 4. Take this up to 10. Voila. Wow. Actually pretty shocked to see how good this looks. Oh, I can't do this. You know what, I'll do this as 10 and delete this, copy 10. Okay, but damn it actually, I can see the looping thing over here, which is something I don't really like, but what choice do I have? Anyway, so control D, and I'm going to copy all of your component. I'm going to paste that into you, and I'm going to say 10. Perfect. And I'm also going to duplicate you, and I'm going to do 5. Shit, 10. Just have it like this. Why not? For here, should I keep an empty wall? Yep, I should keep an empty wall. So I'm just going to keep you over here. I'm going to put this in 10. I'm going to slide it till it hides everything. Sounds good to me. Yeah, looks good, looking good. Because I don't want it older. That is looping. I can see the loop over there. So we need to go with another wall. Which one should I go? I mean, everything will loop in that case. That's a problem. Maybe not, to be honest. You know what? Oh, I can do like this. Yeah. Okay, this looks decent. Okay, so I'm not going to do much of this level. This is what I wanted. I can do this to keep it like at 2 different levels, but do I need to? It's more like an old ruined one, but yeah, I'm not sure though. Okay, whatever. We have a cave entrance. We have to block those things, but for now it's good. Okay, because I don't want to give a player way too much freedom. I need them to, like, they're stuck here, mainly rotate there, because I don't want them. They should always be careful about the projectile shooting at them. So yeah, and I'm gonna control DU. Lightly do this. Copy your component, and I'm gonna paste your component. Values get over here. So it's gonna be -10. Bring it up to 5. Perfect. Control D again. 110. Perfect. Yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, so for this, what I'm going to do is simple. It's way too simple, actually. I'm actually going to, or I can actually do this though. Just copy this, slide it over here, copy this, make it as a 180. Good. And duplicate that, and I think 270. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to control D this and just bring it up. Oh, not that up though. I think it's 5. Sorry, 5. No, it's 10. No, that's way too high. What? I mean, it's 5, right? Yeah, it's 5. It was 5. I am dumb. So just barely cover this thing. Okay. I go here. Just cover all this. It doesn't matter to be looked because players are not going to see. Just whenever he looks like this, there's something there. That's it. Maybe I will create a roof. Okay, we need to create a roof or else the light will fall down, which is something I don't want. And we are going to go here. On the front we're going to do back. No, we need to do both, or else the one it was at both, my bad. So yeah, both is good. So now we can get the good lighting over here. Yes, I want to focus a lot in lighting, to be honest, because it is the only thing I haven't done perfectly, like a thing. I made game development, like coding and stuff, but lighting, no. I should have done a lot of lighting and night shifts, but that game is solely dedicated for me to showcase my how fast or how efficient I can do a game in a week. So I can't really use that, but yeah, it's something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is copy. You are copied, and you are copied. Duplicate this, get it over here. No, and slightly bring it to 10. Simple. That's it. And anywhere else do I have a way? No. So those are the 3 things. Okay, we might need to do it over here as well. Just so that player gets a real effective view, so that's why I do it. I don't want him to like look at something empty. He needs to know. Yeah, I need to give him the better castle feel to him. So yeah, these will give the better castle. So if he's over here, you can see something's there. It's not empty. I mean, like, it's not like the world. So yeah, I think I should have done something like this. That would have been better. But okay. Also place. I don't even want a single thing to distract the player. Okay. So now this looks a cave. Oh, that doesn't give a cave feel. Should I like? What should I do here though? I can do Control D and push this over here. That's something I can do for sure. Control D and do this actually. Oh, this is gonna be a pain though. And now what I need to do is I need to position this perfectly. Oh, and probably scale this in Z, I guess. Sorry, rotation also. Yeah. Cast now. Yeah, okay. I need to really work on this. When I do the lighting, I can actually perfectize this. But for now, yeah, this should be good. Now there is an empty room, but with no floor. So I'm just gonna copy these. I should copy this actually. That looks good. So he got a floor. You have a floor. You have a floor. You too have a floor now. Though you don't have a roof though. Which I definitely need. Or else things are gonna be bad. I just want it to be closed room because I want to give that closed vibe for this game. Okay, and Control D, and if I bring it up, that is going to be a pain though. Ho ho ho. So what if I just bring it back? Just bring it back if anything is wrong. I don't think I do need this. The thing is, I need to rotate this in a way that, yeah, perfect. If I go here, there should be some things so left. I'm just gonna go and increase this, not the rotation for this, it's a Z value. Oh, can I like, oh not, I keep missing with that one. Pretty decento. Probably not. Nope, not, it's not decent. What I need to do is I need to select all of you, even you guys, and I need to print and okay. I mean, this looks decent for now. You can see the light escaping though. I need to work on that, or else it's gonna give a different lighting thing, which I don't need. I want it to be all closed. No, for now, yeah, it should do. Uh, 270, right? No, 90. 90, 180. I'm sorry, I'm bad with math. Say what? Can you like stay like this? It was 90. So since it was behind the wall, I thought it was a wrong image. Okay. Okay. Might need to increase the Y size for this. Oh, that's way too long. I don't mind. I just increase the Y size. Okay, now the Y is okay. There is no gap over here. I also don't need any gap over here, so I'm just gonna bring these to inside. Increase the Y value scale. Hide all those. And I also need okay, so I also need this. I want to duplicate this. 90, 180. I think 180 is good enough, so I'm just gonna do this. Sir, please, didn't I duplicate you? 180. Come front. Okay, this is decent. Oh, there are 2 rooms over here which I forgot. Yeah. The real question, how am I going to deal with that though? Okay, so we can complete it by copying this. No, just these. I don't even need you. And we can just duplicate that. Send it over here. Send it down here. That should give a room. Perfect. I guess so. Now for this though, I have no idea what to do for this. I can't do this, man. This will break the game. Should I like I don't know what this is. I hate keeping it there. Oh, there is also 2 over here. Oh, I can do something like that, but for this, should I really want to do something like that? Basically, what I can do is I can keep it like this. I can push it a bit over here, so I can control A. I also control D, but this needs to be aligned in a way it will not be hitting that. Okay, good. Wait, what the hell is this? Anyways. Okay, so now it's a room. Duplicate. Now it's a closed room. This will make it a closed, which I don't need. Rather, want it like this. And perfect. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate the clipping. And where is the curved one though? What if I just, just do this? Simple as that. Block the sunlight. I'm going to do this for this as well. Now there are lights coming in which I don't like, because you can see the lights over here. But what is causing those things? It's over here. Oh, these things do. That is going to be a pain though. Okay, for now it's okay. For now it's good. I just want to make sure that it all looks decent enough. Okay, I need to do this side as well. Okay. Speedrun, boys. And we can just duplicate this, put it down, send it there. Like that is good enough. Bring it back. I think that's it. I just need to fix a little bit of these for lighting to not come out. I might need to fix this by, again, I can just push this over here, right? Yeah. Though there will be gaps, so I need to do that. Now for this one is a real tricky one, so we just have to rotate it. And we can just push it. Oh god, that's wrong. Push it more like this. Push it more like this. And probably extend the scale a bit. And if you come here, that's going to be this one. So all you need to do is duplicate that and send this there. And maybe I need to pull this up. Perfect. Okay. That's a pretty decent level. Yeah, decent is the right word. It's not good, it's decent. Okay, I'm actually want to work on the lighting and all the other stuff. So now I got a message. I don't care. So since that's over, let's start decorating. Right? So there's gonna be slabs on the place. Okay, so it's not gonna be like. Okay, so let's start with the these weapons. I mean, why not, right? $90. Do I really need a bench though? Why the hell is these? Why not? Okay, so there is a fireplace. Yeah, just freestyling every single thing in this game. Let's keep the fireplace over here because I don't want him to hit on these things yet. Okay, so there is chest over here, which is nice. Because I want these a lot. Okay, let's keep it over here. Let's go this, not that way, Z. So it's something like this. Okay. Okay, and then there's a stool, because you don't know, why not? Let's keep a chair though. Where's a chair? I saw a chair. There's a throne. I don't need a throne, I need a chair. Okay. I think this will hit up. No, it won't. Good. Okay, let's keep a fine carpet. What is carpet? We shouldn't keep a carpet near a fireplace though. That's not good. You know what? Our game. We can do anything, man. We can. This is our game. We do what we want. What is this? It's like an hanger thing. There's a desk though. I don't want to put a desk somewhere. Why not like this? Yeah, why not like this? Why not? Because that's also gonna be stuff over here. It's just like we don't know it's there. That's it. And probably a barrel close to it. I don't see a reason why not. We do have a throne, but where do I keep the throne? Because I really didn't think about the throne. We can keep the coat hanger over here. Yeah, that's a good place for a coat hanger. Let's first finish the bottom floor, then we'll go to the top. Okay, what is this though? I mean, it's alright, right? Yeah, let's keep it over here. Probably a stool next to it, cause why not? There is going to be a chest over here. So we are going to do minus 90, bring it up over here, as if it's fallen. We're gonna frick, not this one though. And we're gonna do this, we're gonna do, we're probably gonna need to do something like this, no, like this though. Why? I'll say it in a minute. I'll do it in a minute rather. Meh. It's like not the best, to be honest. It's good. This is good. Okay, so it's like broken chest. Okay. And if I do this way, it's probably the right one. Okay. For some reason I'll keep not on him place. Yeah, okay, this is decento, I guess. No, why not have a chair like that? I'm just freestyling everything. I'm not even. So he goes there. I need to put this somewhere like this. Yeah, I'm going to take this like that. It's like probably, yeah, this is good enough probably. Since I didn't have that as the perfect one, so I can't really do that. Yeah, that's good. What is clutter? Oh, here is everything. Looks good, right? Damn. There are scrolls, there are things, there are potions. Why are they all blue? Thank you. There are plates over here. There's a plate like that. And wow, you are going to fall now. Oh no, don't fall. Swingers. Swing. Why don't you be like here though? Put it like this. Push it a bit forward. Is it going clipping to in? Yeah, probably. We do this. We change the direction a bit. We angle this a bit like this, and we keep it like that. It clips. Nope. I mean, this is decent. And what can I do? There's cauldrons. But where do I keep those though? There's a crystal. Oh, there's a jug. And there's also another jug. Where do we have a potato, man? We can give him a potato. Let's goblet. I mean, I'm just placing things just like that. Okay, these are not good looking actually. Jar big? No. Let's keep it like that. There's buckets. Oh, that's a big book, bro. Let's keep it like that. Somewhere like that. Let's keep a bag like that. I do need a, what the hell is this? I don't need you. I need another bag though. It's gonna be like this. Another bag though. It's just gonna be like this. Turn like that, and Z should be somewhere like this. Yep. So if we play and see, we can't see because it's way too small. Oh my god, can you like, okay, looks decently filled for a ground floor. Yeah, that's a bit of details, but the flooring is bad, so I need to somehow clear it. But apart from those, yeah, pretty good, pretty decent at least. Okay, this is bad, I need to change that. What I need to do is I need to go to the scene. I need to tilt it. Oh, that is not tilting it. Please, this one though. Just to tilt it just a little like that. And probably I'll also do this. Where is the chair? You know what? We are giving him a throne, my boys. Let's keep the throne like that. Probably send the throne a bit down because we need. I never mind, it's bad. Yeah, this is pretty good. Okay. And that's over there. Can we keep something on the thing? We can give him a carrot if we want. And there's cauldrons and stuff. We can keep a scroll or a bunch of scrolls around here. Okay, I know where to keep this scroll though. Why is this empty? Just keep it like that. Why are they clipping? Okay, so in these things you can just those, I guess, keep them randomized in equal. Why not? Have a flask. Oh, way too big. Oh, this is also way too big though. I mean, it's alright, right? Yeah, it's alright. Let's keep a bone over there, a carrot probably. But in like, that is no, not scaling. Yeah. Probably meat. Okay. How did I forget the skull? So we need a more table. But I don't want that table though. Oh my god. Level designing is actually taking a lot of time. Funny thing is, this is not yet ready. You need to do more. Oh, I can also keep a cauldron over here if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I can though. Why not just hook it up like this? Let's rotate this to 90 degrees. Yeah, that's good. And you have a color which I don't like though, but it's fine. It's actually fine, guys. It's fine. Let's keep some bottles, some bottles, some bottles. Let's keep this. Oh, it's big. It's actually way bigger than I thought it was. Those are books though, which I'm not. I need to have more books though. Where is the cart? Okay, there is over here. One. We can fit. Ship, ship, and we can raise this probably. You know, guys, why not? The real thing is, I actually want to do something. Since he's just gonna jump on these carpets, right? I think we need to keep it this way, but I'm not sure though. But yeah, why not? Let's keep it like this. This. I did see a sword somewhere. Boink, boink, and boink. So that's a nice little sword stand which we can't even see, but okay. I mean, it looks pretty well clustered, probably. It's the right word. Pretty decent if you ask me. It's not like the best, but it's pretty decent. Do these have animation? I mean, particle system? I don't think so. These have particle system. Yeah, they don't have particles. I need particles though. Mm. If I do this, yeah, right? It's there though, so I need to push all these a bit to the left, and all these to a bit to the left like this. I mean, it looks pretty pretty okay. Pretty okay though. Pretty, just pretty okay. No, I actually want to be something. Not sure if it will work though. So now I need to make us jump a bit high. That's not a problem. I just let me first finish the level design. It's still not yet over. There's still a few more things I need to do. I'm not worried about inside things right now. I'll go lighting as last because I know it's gonna take a while and it will be mostly me baking things. So yeah, that will take that can take some time. My hands are like, god damn, what's happening to my hands? They are like, they feel different though. I don't know why. Oh, okay. Let me think of what I should do next. I'm going to like take a 2 minutes break though. I'm actually like, damn, used a lot of my brain. Okay, I guess we can start, right? Okay, oh my god, let's start continuing this. Yeah. It's coming pretty good if I look at it right now, but I need to work on the lighting. I mean, I have ideas on how the lighting will work, but I have to get there though. That's going to take a while because there's few more functionalities I want to do. There is one grappling hook functionality, there is jump. Why don't I just do these two and just finish it for now? Because there's going to be a dash and there's going to be a teleport. Dash and teleport is not going to take much for me because I already have a vague idea of how to do that. So that is not going to be a pain for me, but this is going to be a pain. So what am I going to do is now is, so if you can see, there is something, we have a thing over here, but once I press E, okay, so I need to make a grappling hook system though. But how am I going to make a grappling hook system? I have zero clues. Or should I just finish this game by making a complete single player? Like, oh, just jump and do that. Oh, there's still a lot of things I forgot to do. Wait, just a second. I'll finish these things though. So, you can grapple these torches. Is there like an iron rod thing over here anywhere? Spoon, spear. What happens if I put a spear like this? Make it 5. Then I'm gonna do this. Not Y. I think it's an X direction. Yeah, X is going to be 90. So now it looks like a pole. Okay, so let's just keep these things in few places though. Okay, so we can have one over here. Gonna duplicate one over here. It's going to be up as well. That's good, right? My real question is, how is he gonna get here though? Because I have no idea how he will manage to go there. If he, I don't want him to jump from here, so if he's doing, he's only have to go down. So if he wants to go up there, that means, how can he go up there? Probably I will keep one more, so, or I can just keep it and have a jump as well, so if he can also jump from when he's hanging, probably that will do. So now what I'm going to do is a hard one, because I have no idea how to do where also this one thing plays. Just a little bit in, thank you. So before I start working on things, I wanted to do how to make a grappling hook system. Let me check if there's any YouTube videos for that. So there's a guy who made a grappling gun. I don't want a grappling gun though, I want like a grappling hook. And let me go to chat GPT first. Wait, why am I doing that over here? Wait, I will send this. Yeah. So let's go to chat GPT. Let's do this. Also, why did my stream got cut off? Where's my stream? Streaming. Oh, here it is. I was in a different tab though. Okay. So now if I try. Oh, I also forgot to this. So I'm really sorry. I always check this, but this time I totally forgot. I'm using widescreen though. Now, yeah, now it will be good. Now you guys can see everything. Anyway, so let's try ChatGPT. Still logged out. I want to create a grappling hook system like in Terraria, where player. Oh my god, my English. That player press a button, then where the mouse is, I want a hook to go. Once the hook hits something, for example grappling position, then I want my player to go and only then I want my player to move towards the hook position slowly. Hook position. I want it just like in Terraria. This is a Unity 3D game. Okay, so this is something I know. I just how to do. This is the basic thing. So basically, we are going to launch. So press a button. It will launch a thing like, or as the point where in a straight line or wherever my mouse is pointing. So in this thing, I don't want it to move in like x and z direction. So it's just in z and y direction only. I only want it to go in z and y direction. So that's one. Then hook travel. The hook travels in a straight line until it hits a grabbable surface. Hook launching. When it hits, it attaches to the object and becomes static. Player pull. Player is pulled towards the hook and Rhinelander. So Unity 3D project grab layer player hook. Okay. So what he's doing here? Play rigid body, aligned renderer, position count 0. If mouse button down, we are going to shoot the hook. What is shoot hook? Current hook. If current hook is null, we are going to destroy the current hook. Not equal to null, we are going to destroy it. Is hooked is equal to setting to it false, so it's not hooked anywhere. Line render position comes back to 0. Or else, what we are going to do is we are going to hit a ray. We are going to hit it to like 50F, okay, and check if it's on grabber layer. Then hit is equal to point. Okay, so that target will hit there. Hook, current hook is instantiate, hook prefab, position. Oh, so basically like it does see. Oh, this is good, this is what I need, damn. So current hook, the transformer position is equal to current hook. Okay, line renderer is equal to position count is equal to 2. What does this 2 mean? Create a small sphere or point to represent the hook. No need for collider if you use raycast. Rigid body, yeah, okay, assign the line. This is actually good. Okay, I got a pretty good idea of how to do this, but we are not going to do it right now because I really want to finish this level. For now, let's just make this guy jump, finish this entire game, post it on itch.io and in my LinkedIn. That's the main goal of today. I'm going to do that entirely for today. Now, real question is how much hours has been installed. It's been already like where do I see the timer though? It's like 1 hour and 8 minutes. Okay, we can do it. I'm just going to get my snacks and then we are going to finish this level. First, I'm going to cover this entire thing. Second, put a skybox. Third, light everything and create the lighting. Fourth, publish it. That's it. So right now we have no, okay, I still finished. I need to place the torches down. So yeah, that's it. This is our goal for today, and I need to finish this in probably 2 hours because I want to see how fast I can be. I will do the grappling and every other thing in next video or something. It's like an update, so I just want to create the first game like this. So yeah, it's pretty decent. I still need to do level design, but we are completing every single thing today. Anyways, I'm gonna get my snacks and come. Just a second, guys. And I am back. Oh my god. Okay. So now, how am I going to do the lighting? Okay, first and foremost, let's first put a what is it? Skybox. Yeah, skybox. First, let's finish putting a skybox and see. What am I blabbering? Okay, so let's just go to Unity Asset Store and see if there is any skybox. Because we definitely need a skybox. Definitely. And there's nothing like here, so skybox. There is some lot of skybox for free over here, and they all are actually pretty good. But I'm not sure whether they are like optimized or stuff. But yeah, they are pretty good. Okay, this is something I like. Just a second. Okay, hello, hello. Okay, sorry, I was on a call, guys. My bad. It was an important call. I couldn't like say no to it. So, yep. So this is procedural skybox, probably. No, is he using procedural? I can't even see it. Oh yeah, he's giving colors. I mean, it's all right, but I wanted like have a stars because it's gonna be nighttime, so I don't really need a thing. Um, what? Am I just not seeing any good skyboxes? Is there a nighttime for this? This looks pretty good. Oh, and there's a nighttime for this. That's it, guys. That's it. This is what we need. This is shit. You know what? I can actually get this. Just a second. I think I have my alt tab over here. I can add this to my this. So we are just going to use this asset. Okay. Continue. I'm just going. I have another account as well, so I'm just using that for getting it. Okay, open in Unity, open Unity editor. There you go. Fantasy Skybox free, download. I don't know what's paramonic skyboxes though. I know it's cube maps. Day night mode, very. Oh, day night. Oh my god. I see, I see. Paranomic. I also know procedural, but no, no. Is it procedural skybox? Yeah, procedural skybox is something I understand. I know what is cube. I mean, like, okay, understand this. I know what is cube maps though. I used a lot of cube maps. Cube maps is like the basic thing, I guess. I mean, using it, of course, going in detail is totally a different topic, but I do know things, something like that. Wait, am I odd? Yeah. Wait, the audio stream current bitrate is what? Open widget. We recommend using. How do I change that though? Though. Okay, so I go here. Just a second, guys. Audio. Bruh. What does this even mean though? Hey. It says the audio streams bitrate of 0 is lower than the recommended bitrate. What does that even mean? Oh, because I had it like, oh, I know what happened. Because I had it on 0. Because I was in a call. Okay, now it's good though. Okay, what I'm going to do is we close this. I think I open. Yeah, it's in project. Close it, close it. Fantasy Skybox. Let's close all these. Okay. Okay, everything is closed. Now I'm not going to change things, so I think I'll go with this. Oh, I need to. I'm actually not willing to do it right now. No, putting everything in the same thing. So what I need to do is there is direction light, right? But I don't need a direction light. I need um what is it called? Why is the lighting open? Here, YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such as viewers will experience what? There is no way my quality is bad. There is no way a 4060 can't handle it. I mean, it's showing good to me. Everything is good for me. Yeah, everything's good for me. There's a delay though. I don't know why there's a delay now. But anyways, we have lighting. Let's put the lighting over here. Why is there a navigation? Oh, because I worked on like navigation. They also changed the navigation once again, bro. I literally just a week ago I learned how to use the navigation. Now you changed it again. And it's all right. I think it's better. So, so if I go in, there's going to be a default skybox. We don't. No, sorry. We don't need a default skybox. We need these. Yeah, that I don't like it. What is this? It's all bro. Ho ho ho. Okay, it's all right though. What are these? Oh, that is void. I don't like the void being like that. Let's generate lighting and see how this looks. Oh my god, I would have just spilled my juice. Okay, this is something. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? What is happening? Why is my frames dying? I'm not even having anything big though. Is this the problem? Close. Okay, this is pretty okay-ish. Okay-ish, to be honest. Okay-ish. There's one thing I can do. I can literally cover all these. Wait, is there lights over here? Why are there lights over here though? I think there's a gap, so it causes that. Okay, how does this work? I mean, this one. And we are going to clear the baked data. We are going to generate lighting. Oh, it was working. Okay, that's why it was lagging. Okay. So I have to keep lights. For that, I have to first close this every single thing. There's one way of doing the closing thing, but I don't know if that is the right way to do it though. I can literally block everything with the, the cube. 93 KB per second. Yes, my internet is bad. There are 13,000 frames dropped. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know if this is the right thing, but I want to see how this works though. Since we are like only doing it in one place, what the heck? What's happening? What? What this? What the hell is this? Okay. We press the green and we do this. Hmm. I just want to see if this works. So if I go to lighting, if I go to clear baked, and if I generate lighting, how is the lighting coming inside? Oh, it's still baking. I'm like, I think like it just takes 1 second to light everything. How? How does the lighting work? There are no lights. Hmm. Okay. I see a problem. Yeah, now it works. Well, now there's no lighting. Hmm. What are the animations though? Wait, what? Where are the animations? Oh, it's there, okay. So if I play, will it the light affect things? Nope. No, 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 no. Control Z. Bruh. Frick. Who the hell is texting me? Dwabzy. There's voice chat in Steam. Oh. Is she there? Damn. Mm-hmm. Oh, I like this for some reason. Oh, Control V, no! Control C. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I shouldn't do that. And now that does that particle. Now, what are these red flames though? So you're telling me that I need to take this color and go down. Oh, not this one. And what? Where is it? Okay, over here. You're telling me to put this there? But there's no even colors. I can't. Bro, where is the hexadecimal code? What? I don't see hexadecimal code. Holy. Okay, where is this hexadecimal code? I mean, why can't it have an hexadecimal code? Okay, you know what? I think it's fine. We go to fire means instead of, let's just do something like, oh my god, this looks beautiful. Bro, look at this beauty. It's not perfectly beautiful, but it's something. Go the green flames. Oh, I shouldn't do this, but I'm doing this. And this is going to be, bro, what the hell is this? Oh my god. For some reason I love this. I'm in love with this. Just let's play and see how it looks. I need to check the lighting for this. Yeah, that's a pain. Like, wow. I'm gone. I knew this will happen. Let's just get this back to normal because I don't want to mess with the normal one. Okay. Anyways, for now I think this is okay for right now. I will again stream it later probably because I want to finish this level as soon as possible and I want to post this in my HR, create my portfolio. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next stream. Bye bye. I will save this.